Hey fam, welcome back to my channel and thank you so much for stopping by. I hope you're well and I hope you're having an amazing day wherever you are. Okay, so I actually bought this wireless lavalier microphone. Okay, so I've been wanting to have a microphone for my YouTube videos and my social media videos for a while, but haven't been able to. If you remember, I bought this one a few months ago that goes with this tripod here. The tripod goes into my bag. I can carry it around now. So excited about it. With the microphone, unfortunately I'm not able to use this microphone because it doesn't fit in my phone. Okay, and you know I still use my phone to actually record my videos, so this doesn't go in my phone, so actually it's almost useless. I did request for a refund. I got it from Temu, so it's a website which I've made a number of orders from. I told you about it, and I've done a review, unboxing before, a video unboxing my Temu products, which I'll link up here for you to have a look if you haven't seen that video. So I thought I would go and make another order. Okay, I've ordered a few times from the website. I've ordered a few things which I really like, and I thought I'll order another microphone. I'll give it a try. So I ordered this one. I ordered a few things as well, but one of the things I ordered was this microphone. Okay, and I thought I'll unbox it with you and then we can try it to see if it actually works. Okay, so it looks really small, and when I brought it out, hubby said what you ordered versus what you got. So I don't know if it's actually what I ordered and what I got, if it's exactly the same thing. Okay, but here, look, this is what it looks like. I think it's exactly what I want. So it's two microphones, so if I'm having a guest, I can actually give them one and I'll use one. So this is the part that I'll put on my shirt or wherever, and this is the part that goes on my phone, and also this is the cable that connects to my phone, I think. Okay, that's what I'm thinking. I think this goes on my phone as well as somewhere. I'll figure it out. Okay, it goes in here, and it goes on my phone. Okay, so what I'll do is I'll try it out and see if it actually works. If it works, I would let you know as well. Right, so guys, I have tried it, and unfortunately this is also not compatible with my phone. So I've got a Samsung phone, but this is, I think this would be okay for an iPhone. So this is the receiver. This is supposed to go in my phone, but if you look at it there, it's not the same for a Samsung phone, an Android phone, so I can't use it. So this is the receiver and the transmitter. So this is like the microphone itself, which is supposed to go on my shirt, and that's fine. However, this is still not compatible with my phone, unfortunately. So now I've ordered two microphones that I've got at home that are really not compatible with my phone. I think I checked to make sure that it was definitely for an Android, but unfortunately it's not. So yeah, so we're still in the same position. We haven't got a microphone yet. I'm gonna try and order another one, and hopefully the next one will be okay. So hopefully it'll be third time and lucky. Well, thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you know any microphones that you think will be okay for Android phones, please put them in the comment section so I can know, and also I'll be able to order it as well for my videos as well. Okay, well, thank you so much for watching and have an amazing week. I'll see you in my next video. Bye bye.